Well, the Elios 3 drone is a drone in a cage which we can use for inspection of cargo tanks and cargo holds and large ballast tanks. Well, at this stage I haven't seen any other drone which can do the same as the Elios 3. My name is David Knukkel. I'm working for 3DTS as a drone coordinator. The advantages of the drone is that in this case we don't need the tank entries anymore, so we work safer and we work faster. And we can inspect areas at heights which we cannot reach so easily, or it becomes more expensive or unsafer. It's safer to use the drone in the maritime industry for two reasons. First, the entry of enclosed spaces, which is a risk in itself because of the lack of oxygen. And second, we usually inspect assets with areas on heights where traditional methods like rope access or scaffolding or cherry pickers are used. They have their own risks. Well, a good example of the cost efficiency is of course that you don't have to build the scaffolding in areas where it is not needed. I mean, if there are repairs, and you find something during the visuals, you still need to go in, but at least you can reduce the amount up to a bare minimum. There's also a practical example. We have one client which must do the close-up visuals every year of 28 ballast tanks. Those tanks can only be opened during a mobilization period of 3 weeks. During those 3 weeks, there's a lot of things going on the vessel, so they don't have enough manpower to ventilate and inspect the tanks according to the traditional methods. They always employ us to do the ballast tank inspections, which we complete in 3 days without ventilation and support of one crew member on board. The traditional method to inspect the tank with 4 people will take them approximately 1.5 weeks. They need the resources for other jobs on board as well. So we create a tremendous time efficiency on board.